Starting with version 2.2, priority playlists in P-Layer have been renamed to blocks. In this video, I'll explain what blocks are, show you how they work, and how you can use them in your broadcasts. Blocks are created in the playlist editor. First, build a regular playlist by adding all the tracks you need. Then click Save. In the Save dialog, choose Save as Block, then specify the broadcast date and time. If needed, you can assign multiple broadcast dates and times to the same block. This is useful when the same block needs to air more than once. When the scheduled time arrives, the block will automatically appear in the playback queue. Depending on the launch mode you selected, it will either interrupt the currently playing track immediately or wait for it to finish before starting playback. In Studio, blocks are displayed in a collapsed view to keep the queue compact. If needed, you can expand a block to see all the tracks it contains. Blocks provide a convenient way to schedule all kinds of on-air events, including promos, commercial breaks, news bulletins, special shows, and other broadcast elements.